Illinois, Wisconsin report their first West Nile virus deaths of 2024 to deaths from West Nile virus have been reported in Wisconsin, and one in Illinois. The first such deaths in those states this year, according to the state health departments. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said Thursday that it has received reports of 18 deaths from West Nile across the country this year, according to preliminary data. There were 180 to such deaths in 2023. And although the 2024 numbers are lower than for this time period last year, they could change after follow-up review. The deaths in Wisconsin, in addition to the hospitalization of another person with West Nile, were the first human cases there this year, the Wisconsin Department of Health Services said in a statement Thursday. The people were residents of Outagamie, Fond du Lac, and Brown counties. The Illinois case involved a person in their 80s who lived in Lake County, the Illinois Department of Public Health said in a statement Tuesday. 9 other West Nile cases have also been reported in that state this year in Cook, DuPage, Will, Winnebago, and Tazewell counties. Overall, the CDC has received reports of 289 West Nile cases in 33 states for 2024. 195 of those cases have been neuroinvasive, in which the virus invades the brain and nervous system. This can lead to complications such as brain swelling, brain damage, or death. There is no vaccine or specific treatment for West Nile, which is spread through the bite of infected mosquitoes. Most cases are mild and may involve flu-like symptoms and a rash. About 1,000 Americans are hospitalized each year with the most severe form of the virus. Another 1,500, on average, are diagnosed after developing symptoms, although experts estimate that as many of 80% of infections in the U.S. are never identified because they have only mild symptoms or none at all. The heaviest virus activity is usually seen in August and September. Experts say that reducing exposure to mosquitoes is the best way to avoid West Nile infection. The CDC advises using an insect repellent when going outdoors, as well as wearing long pants and long sleeves. The species of mosquitoes that are the main carriers of West Nile virus are especially active at dawn and dusk, so it's particularly important to take precautions then. Try to keep doors and windows shut as much as possible, and make sure they have tight-fitting screens that are in good condition. Eliminate standing water sources such as bird baths, flower pots, wading pools, and tires where mosquitoes can breed.